Never miss a respiratory pathology ever again. Make sure you auscultate the chest and the back. Let me explain. The lungs are divided into lobes. On the left side, you've got a superior and inferior. On the right side, you've got a superior, middle, and an inferior. The catch is the inferior are only auscultated under the armpits and on the back, and the superior and middle lobes are best heard on the front. So if you only auscultate the back or vice versa, only auscultate the front, you may miss pathologies in the other lobes. That's exactly what happened to my grad yesterday. They auscultated the back and they said, it's all clear. And I came along and auscultated obviously the front and the back. And I was like, actually, we've got consolidation with a wheeze on the right side. So don't get caught out, do the front and the back.